Hello, hi. In this Odoo tips and tricks, let we see how we can integrate the quality check in the shop floor level. So basically, once we install the quality check module, it will be based upon the operations level, manufacturing orders or receipt or delivery like that can be integrated. In this Odoo tips and tricks, I'll show you how we can integrate in the shop floor level. So for this, it is in the sub-assembly model. This is the one operations replacing with top class. So for this, I'll create a quality alert. So let us show me once again. You have to go to the settings, update instructions, improvement of suggestions, add steps. Here it will ask a list of things which is already in the quality check modules. We can give it as a pause and fail. I'll give a title as test. And once you propose a change, it will ask. So let I go to the manufacturing models and let I open the shop floor. It will ask for the instructions. The title will be coming. Once the quality check is passed, then only we can pause the operation as mark as done. So once it is done, it will automatically go to the next operations. So by this you can create a quality check for each operations under the manufacturing order for the work centers. So you have to go to update instructions, improvement suggestion, add a step, and you can give pause and fail, measure, worksheets, like anything else you need, you can give it as, and you can propose a change. It will automatically ask for the quality checks. Yeah, once it is done, we can go for the next operations. Thank you.